Three, two, one, and rolling.
Hi everyone, my name is Atika.
Hello everyone, this is Yash Sagar.
Hi guys, I'm Shreya Rawat.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing well. So I'll be the host for today's video and मैं आप सबके सामने ला रहा हूँ अपने कुछ दोस्त who will be sharing their cabin crew experience with you all. So like we always say, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. So guys, video start करने से पहले I'd like to say the only reason I'm making this video is that I want to motivate all of you guys who wanted to be a cabin crew. As we all know the situation in aviation right now, due to which recruitment might be delayed. So I do not want any aspiring cabin crew to get demotivated or stop dreaming of being one. So I hope this video will boost your confidence and keep you guys motivated. Guys, let me explain how this video will go. I'll be asking some questions to my friends and they will share their point of view. And by the end of the video, they have an advice for you guys. So ये video पूरा end तक देख लीजिए and let's welcome all of them in this video.
Hi everyone, my name is Atika. I'm 24 years old and I'm from Delhi. I've been working with Indigo since 1 year now.
Hi guys, my name is Mohsin. I'm from Mumbai, a cabin crew for almost 4 years.
Hi guys, my name is Anvesha and I'm from India. I've been working in this industry for almost 5 years now. I started my flying career with Jet Airways and currently flying with Qatar Airways.
So hello everyone, this is Yash Sagar. I'm 22 years old and basically I'm from Delhi. And I am in aviation from last 3 years and I'm working as a cabin crew.
Hey guys, this is Pooja. Hope you all are doing great and staying safe.
Hello friends, my name is Sana. I am from Mumbai. I am 23-year-old and I am in this industry for past 5 years.
My name is Mohammad Sajid Sheikh and I'm a cabin crew. I've been working with AirAsia for about 1 year and 2 months now. And before that I was associated with GoAir for about 2 years.
Hello guys, my name is Kashish Talwar and I am 22-year-old. I am from Delhi and it's been 3 years in aviation industry.
Hi guys, I'm Shreya Rawat and I'm working as a cabin crew from last 2 years.
Hi everyone, my name is Gaurav and I work with an airline. I'm a cabin crew.
Hi guys, I am Megha Abdul and I am 22 years old. I am from Jammu Kashmir and yeah, it's been 1.5 years I am into aviation.
Hello everyone, I'm Sanjana Medi and I've been a cabin crew for a few years.
Hey, this is Akshay Kumar. I'm a cabin crew 4 years.
Hi guys, my name is Jigyasa Suryavanshi. I'm flying cabin crew and it's been 4 years in aviation.
Since we all know cabin crew come from the different educational background, so we want to know what is your qualification.
So after 12th, I have done Bachelor's in Business Management.
I'm pursuing my graduation 3rd year in social work.
My qualification, I have done my bachelor's in business administration.
I have completed my 10+2 as well as I've graduated from the course of Bachelor of Management Studies.
My qualification is that I am pursuing graduation from Mac College.
I'm a postgraduate in travel and tourism.
Moving on to the next question, what is the biggest advantage of being a cabin crew?
Well, for me, you get to travel the world and that too for free.
Yeah, cabin crew का job आसान नहीं है, but the thing that I like is money. Everybody likes easy money. I would not say it is easy money, but मैं ये बोलूँगा कि बहुत मेहनत लगती है, but पैसा आसान है as compared to people working on ground, क्योंकि उन लोग बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करते हैं. हम भी मेहनत करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है दोस्त.
So biggest advantage and what I like about being a cabin crew is to travel across the world for free. Yes, this is a very glamorous job. So where people do pay for their vacations, you get to do your vacations and do the exploring as well for almost free.
You get wonderful layovers, you go around, you meet new people. But for me, as in the biggest advantage of being a cabin crew, as it helps you to become the person you are. It humbles you, it teaches you some values which are very necessary, which are very important and which are the key ingredients in your life. So my job as a cabin crew has made me a better person, I would say.
There are lots of advantages of being a cabin crew. First of all, you will travel around the world and you will pay for the same. Second thing, you will explore so many cultures and you will get the opportunity to meet different nationality. And if you're a foodie like me, so definitely you will love to try different cuisines.
For me, the primary reasons are financial independence. Number 2, privacy. I really like my own space and time. So if you're living with a partner or roommate, it's good to get out for a layover and spend some time alone for yourself and pamper yourself. And also lastly, no same colleagues every day. So supposedly if you work with somebody very difficult one day, chances are you'll never work with him again for a year or maybe 2 years even.
People have a dream to go for vacations. People pay a lot of money to go on vacations for a flight. But being a cabin crew, you don't have to pay such amount because you get free flights. Especially with the company's help, you get accommodation as well with less amount. So I think I chose the right direction. I am happy to be here as a cabin crew.
Traveling. I love traveling and visiting new destinations. So being a cabin crew gives you that opportunity to see different corners in this world and visit new places, meet new people, different culture. So traveling is the key point for me to stay in this industry and keep going.
The best thing about becoming a cabin crew is that you get to travel around the country, you get to see different places, and fortunately if you're working with an international airlines, you get to travel around the world. You get to stay in 5-star hotel as well.
The biggest advantage in my mean is once you're done with the job, you don't have to do any homeworks to go back home, or these days like everybody is doing work from home, we don't have anything else to do, to be very honest, and it's the day-to-day thing. Once you have the flight, you do the flight. Once you're done, you can do whatever the things you want to do.
Okay, so for me, the biggest advantage of being a cabin crew is to get paid to travel across the world.
The best part about being a cabin crew is not just to travel the world, but you grow as a person. You meet thousands of people and you gain thousands experience.
Free travel. I know. You go anywhere in the world, you pay the less amount, maybe just taxes or free. For your family, for you, for your girlfriend, for your friends. So yeah, it is good.
For me, the biggest advantage of being a cabin crew is that you can travel the world for free.
Was it planned that you wanted to become a cabin crew, or you had a different aim?
Well, it wasn't planned for me to become a cabin crew. I always wanted to become a businesswoman. I ended up being a cabin crew, but now I'm saving money for my business.
Actually, no. As you know, I completed Bachelor of Management Studies, so I exactly was looking to go into business. But the wonderful lady in the video, Sana, she also happens to be my sister. She really pushed me to it that you can do it. Actually, in the starting, I was very, disheartened because I got rejected 3 to 4 times. But that lady, that wonderful lady, never lost hope in me. So all thanks to that, the gem of a person who helped me through those tough times and made me the person I am.
Yes, definitely. It is one of the most fascinating job around the world. So yeah, I always wanted to be a cabin crew.
I never planned to become cabin crew. It was all of a sudden when I used to work in hotel. I saw so many cabin crew coming from different airlines. It was quite impressive and I got attracted to this job, and then I tried with one of the airlines and it is good.
For me, it was never planned to be a cabin crew. I just happened to be one. I didn't have any different aim. I just went with the flow and came here.
Well, it was never planned. I just finished my graduation in political science from Delhi University, and I saw the advertisement for the first company I joined, and I just went ahead without any aim or ambition, and
It wasn't a dream to become a cabin crew. I opted for being a chef or maybe something else, but you know how the industry in India is. I was not getting that much of money, and the time and the workload is too much. And this job is give you more of freedom. You will be able to see more places, and you get quite a good amount of money.
No, I didn't plan anything. I didn't plan to become a cabin crew. I wanted to grow in other fields, but here I am, and I'm really very happy.
नहीं यार, मेरा कोई प्लान नहीं था cabin crew बनने का. The thing is, my friends were going for an interview and they pulled me out, and here I am.
However, I never planned to be an air hostess. I wanted to be a fashion designer, but somehow landed up being a cabin crew.
So basically, I never planned to be a cabin crew. I always wanted to be a photographer, but then eventually things went into other direction. and I'm here now. But I'm really happy.
Yes, it was planned because I really wanted to become a cabin crew.
So I cannot say it was planned or it was not planned, but somewhere it was in my mind that one day I will probably go for an interview and I will probably give it a shot. So I gave interview and here I am. Today I am a cabin crew.
I always wanted to become an actress, but I ended up becoming a cabin crew, which I do not regret. I love my job.
So your last question is, any tips or suggestions for the aspiring cabin crew?
Yes, I would give you a tip that now the aviation industry is at a pause. So you guys can learn, you guys can prepare yourself for the interview, because as soon as things are going to get normal, they would need each one of you for the airline. So all the best for all the aspiring cabin crew.
It's very simple. Just be you and carry yourself properly. Because the people who are sitting over there, they are taking interviews for like every week, you know. जिस तरीके से तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम कंफर्टेबल हो, जो भी तुम्हें पहनना है तुम पहनो, थोड़े से फॉर्मल अटायर के अंदर जाओ और बी कॉन्फिडेंट इन इट. एवरीबडी ओवर देयर इज नर्वस, यू हैव टू बी यू, you know. They are just there to check you, how you are in your natural form. So if you can do that, you will be selected. There is no other way, okay? We all have something which is we are lacking, you know. So it's okay to be you.
Never give up. Keep on dreaming and keep on trying. No matter how many times you fail, once, twice or thrice, just believe in yourself and keep on trying.
Guys, I hope this will end soon and things will get better soon. So do not waste time and prepare yourself for the interview. All the best from my side.
Take care of your BMI, take care of your communication skill and personal development. That's it from my side.
Invest on yourself. Go to a nice gym, go under a trainer, make your personality, take a PD class मतलब personality development class. अगर तुम्हें अपने आप पर थोड़ा confidence नहीं है तो. Thirdly, अगर तुम्हारी English इतनी strong नहीं है, try to do English course. इसमें कोई शर्म की बात नहीं है, because obviously बहुत ज़रूरी है. यही बोलना था. Thank you so much guys.
My tip would be brave. You know, there are many people to pass judgments to you every day, whether you're tall or short or thin or fat. They have a problem with you every day, regardless of what you want to achieve, right? So don't listen to anybody. Be brave, be confident, and smile. Since we're working for the service industry, people expect us to be smiling all the time. I know it's difficult, but why not practice in front of the mirror? I've done it and it really works, you know. So yeah, that's about it. And also stay healthy, you know. Peace of mind is very important. In interview, when you talk to the interviewer, they're just looking for, to have a conversation. That's it. Since you're a fresher, you wouldn't know any aviation terminology, right? So they just want to have a good conversation. So be confident, be brave, and smile a lot. That's about it. Good luck to everyone.
For those who'd like to be a cabin crew, I'd suggest you guys to work more on your communication skills, to improve your personality and interact as much as possible. It will really help. Thank you.
And guys, a special message from my side. Please do not stuck at one point, because I know this is making you sit at one place, but just prepare yourself, because this time if you are preparing yourself, once everything's get back to normal, you are going to be the priority for every airline. I mean each one of you. So please get set, go.
I would suggest people work on your communication skills, keep practicing, lots of confidence, and be presentable, work on your grooming skills. That's all.
Firstly, it would be confident. Confidence is key to success. So if you're confident, you can crack any interview in this world. You do not need to join any institution. Just secondly, just work on your communication skills and start speaking in English. Start talking to your friends in English, your family, and start reading newspapers and watching English movies. It really helps. I have done that and it really works. So you can just improve your communication skills.
One thing, smile a lot. For the interview, smile a lot, be confident, whatever you are, what do you want from your life, tell them, and come be a part with us.
Reading books, start reading newspapers, focus on yourself, get your vocabulary, get yourself to a level where you start looking and acting like a cabin crew. So the time is right now. because as soon as the aviation industry starts, jobs are gonna be, flying here and there. So you must be ready for that time. Strike when the iron is hot.
My tip for aspiring cabin crew is that if you want to become a cabin crew, then work hard for it. Never give up. You will definitely get it.
So guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope ये video जिस मकसद से बनी है वो पूरा हो. One advice from me is that follow the right people. I've seen a lot of pages on Instagram related to aviation and cabin crew, but when they come live, you must join the live session. Most of them don't even know how to communicate properly. So follow the right people guys, जो इस industry में हैं, जो आपको सही advice दे सकते हैं, उनको follow कीजिए. And thank you all of you guys who participated in this video and made this video possible. Guys, I'll be mentioning all the Instagram links of the people who made this video possible. So once again, follow the right people. If you want, you can connect to them and they're the one who can give you the best advice because they are already in the industry.
Thank you so much guys. और सहीम के वीडियो को ज़रूर शेयर करना, लाइक करना और उसके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना. मैं चाहता हूँ मेरे भाई का चैनल इंडिया में नंबर 1 चैनल हो फॉर कैबिन क्रू. Thank you guys.